How to see friend activity on Spotify without Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can we exactly see the friend activity on Spotify without the Facebook account. It's a simple and efficient process. So in order to achieve this, you need a Spotify premium account and the latest version on the Spotify desktop app. If you don't have the most recent version of the app, visit the official Spotify download page at www.spotify.com to download and update it. Once you have the desktop app installed and running, log into your specific account. Then click on the icon at the top right corner of the screen, that is your profile icon. And from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now scroll all the way down in Display and choose the third option, that is see what your friends are playing. Simply toggle this option to enable it. This action will create a sidebar called the friend activity, allowing you to observe what your friends are listening to on Spotify without the need for the Facebook, provided you have added them as friends. To add a friend, click on Add Friend icon in the top and add them using their Spotify ID. I trust that this guide has been beneficial in assisting you with viewing friend activity on Spotify without Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.